Hi, I'm Mandy Solorio. I'm the elementary counselor here at Beacon Park. Today we are going to be having a multicultural panel.
Today we're doing the multicultural panel. This is our second year doing the multicultural panel.
Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and I'm here today at Beacon Park Elementary School, one of our K-8s, but meeting with our 5th to 8th graders because they're going to have an assembly. It's going to be a multicultural panel, and I've been invited to be a part of it.
We're going to have 3 people speaking. They're going to be able to hear stories from our teachers and staff members that are participating.
One thing I really appreciate about this is the conversations are happening.
This panel came together because we worked together with the BSU over at Portola High School, and they helped us organize what this presentation would look like.
And so oftentimes when growing up, I think it's so important to have adults talk through complex issues and to be vulnerable and to share their thoughts and their stories, their backgrounds. We're expecting students to do that, but then the adults aren't having the opportunity to do that on campus. So the fact that this space is being created, I just appreciate it so much. The staff who are willing to be vulnerable, the staff who are preparing an event like this, and looking forward to connecting with so many of our youth in our own community.
So what I loved about the multicultural panel is it asks like real, authentic questions that I think middle schoolers would resonate with, and perhaps answers to which they have never heard before from adults. And so having teachers that they love, that go to their school, talking about some of the experiences they have must have been a very powerful experience. And I think it takes a lot of vulnerability on behalf of the educator to be able to share the way that they shared. My hat goes off to Beacon Park and their educators who created this space where the students were so respectfully listening, but at the same time the teachers were sharing so vulnerably. No doubt, as this is occurring, students are, doing their own reflection themselves. They're thinking about their own experiences, their own biases, the times that they have maybe been talked to in a way that wasn't nice. And this type of reflecting, this type of thinking in advance then allows students to then perhaps in the future make better decisions for themselves and give them greater peace as well.
It should be a good time, and the kids will be able to see their teachers as people and that they experience maybe the same things that they have or maybe a little bit different. And we're hoping that they take something away from today.